Draw the graph of f of x equals 2 to the x plus 1. So we're drawing the graph of an exponential function, and exponential functions could have different changes to them. They could have horizontal or vertical shifts, or they could have reflections possibly. So the easiest thing to begin with is always the vertical shift. If you have a number added to your exponential equation on the outside of your function, that's where the vertical shift comes from. But I don't have a number on the outside of my function that's added. This is on the inside of the function because it's added to the x directly and it's in the exponent. So what that means is my asymptote isn't shifted up or down. So just make sure your tool for drawing exponential functions is selected. After you hover over the graph, you'll see a shadow of a horizontal line, and you'll place that where the horizontal asymptote should be. Since that's along the x-axis, just click and you're all set. Don't worry about where that dot is, it's not important, it just determines where this asymptote is. Now, the next thing you need to take into consideration is the horizontal shifts. So here I have a horizontal shift of 1, and since it's x plus 1 and horizontal shifts go in the opposite direction of their sign, I'm going to go to the left 1 unit. So normally you would have a point 1 unit above your asymptote, but everything's getting shifted to the left 1 unit. So go to the left 1 unit and click again. Now lastly, you have to put in another number which determines the shape of your exponential function. And this comes from the base of the exponential function. And since our base is always going to be 2 for these, all you have to do is just go from this particular point to the right 1 and up 1, and then that gives you the correct shape for the graph for base 2. So now we have a nice exponential function graphed.